Greece, where the sea is blue, the buildings are white, and the light is golden.
I can't believe we are finally here in beautiful Greece.
Santorini, white and blue, a place so beautiful it does not look real. This is where the family is going.
The sun is so bright. Even the airport is warm.
Welcome to Greece, everyone. This is Mediterranean sun.
Dad, look, Yoop! On the hill! What is that?
That is the Acropolis, 2,000 years old.
I have counted 7 cats already. 7!
Greece has cats everywhere. I love it here.
This is the best thing I have ever...
Dad, you said that in Japan too. About everything.
The feta here tastes completely different. So fresh. Can I try? Can I try? With the olive oil?
That first evening, the Acropolis glowed golden above them. 2,500 years old, still standing.
Wow, it really is spectacular. It is perfect.
The Acropolis. They climbed the same marble steps that people had climbed for 2,500 years. The stone remembered every footstep.
It is enormous. The columns are taller than trees.
How did they build this? Without machines? Mom, this stone is warm. From the sun.
2,000 years of sun. In that stone.
Dad is lying on the ground. At a World Heritage Site.
It is called RT, Anna. Perspective. From the top, they could see the whole city. Athens. 4 million people, living around a hill that has been sacred for 3,000 years.
I count 8 columns on the front. Is that right?
8. Exactly right. The ancient Greeks were precise.
Athena was the goddess of wisdom. She protected Athens. A woman protecting an entire city.
I like that.
Peter waved goodbye to the Parthenon. A small wave. A boy and a building. 2,500 years apart. Friends now.
The boat is enormous. Like a floating building.
5 hours on the sea. To Santorini, let us go! I feel like a movie star. The wind.
David, your shirt is blowing up. Not a movie star.
Dolphins! Anna, look! 3 dolphins! They are following us. Oh, wow! They are actually... Wow!
Then Santorini appeared. White buildings on a dark cliff. Blue domes against the sky. The family watched the island come to them.
The town is on top of a cliff.
That is FERRY. We have to go up there. Ready?
I am fine. Completely fine. Not looking down.
Dad, Peter is 10. He is not even scared.
Santorini.
It's beautiful.
Every building white.
Wow!
And another view more beautiful than the last. Kids, stay close. Nobody talk. Nobody move. This photo is perfect.
Can I be in it? I want to be... This one is purring. She likes me, Mom. Take a photo of the gray kitten, please.
The church bells rang at noon. The sound carried over the white rooftops and out to sea. The village stopped. This is incredible. I need another one.
Dad, you have sauce on your chin. A lot.
This tastes like sunshine. Like actual golden sunshine. Mom, you sound like Dad now, being dramatic.
The caldera. A volcano that exploded 3,000 years ago. Now filled with the bluest water on Earth. They looked down.
This is made of honey and gold. I can taste gold.
It is pistachio, Peter. Gold works too.
like little honey clouds.
Peter, you have honey on your nose and your ear.
This is the most beautiful door I have ever seen.
Sometimes the simplest things are the most beautiful.
The Santorini sunset, the most famous sunset in the world. The sky turned every color. The white buildings glowed pink. Nobody spoke. Nobody needed to. I am not taking a photo, just looking.
Good. Some things you keep in your heart.
The rocks are red. The whole beach is red.
The water is warm. Come in, everyone.
I can see my feet. The water is like glass.
Welcome to the Aegean Sea, Peter. The warmest sea.
I could float here forever. The water holds you. This is the Mediterranean, Anna. It has held people for thousands of years.
Is that island a volcano? A real volcano? A real volcano!
Ha! It exploded 3,000 years ago. Still warm underneath. The water is warm! Like a bath! A volcano bath!
The volcano is heating the water. That is so cool. Okay, everyone, look at me. Say something in Greek.
Opa! Is that Greek?
I think that is Greek. This rock was inside a volcano once, and now it is inside your pocket.
Safe.
Golden hour on the black pebble beach. Stones warm from the sun. Sea warm from the volcano. Everything warm.
Dad, tuck your shirt in properly. You look messy.
It is tucked. This is my formal look. The taverna sat on the edge of a cliff.
String lights, candles.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Welcome. Please come in. The best meal coming. There are 12 dishes.
12!
This is heaven.
Can I eat all of them?
The music! I love this. Everybody clap.
I am clapping. Can we dance? He is the worst dancer in all of Greece.
He is the happiest dancer in all of Greece.
I am drawing the string lights and the sea.
Draw the stars too, Peter. They are part of it.
Mom, thank you for bringing us here. I love Greece.
I know you do, sweetheart. I can see it. You are different here, softer.
They walked home under the stars. The white streets glowed. Peter held Anna's hand. Nobody said a word.
Peter fell asleep with his notebook. Emily covered him gently.
Good night, explorer. You drew the whole world today.
The last morning, Oya was quiet. The tourists had not arrived yet. The family had the white streets and the golden light to themselves.
Every page is full, Mom. The whole trip.
You drew everything. The Acropolis, the cats, the volcano, everything.
I do not want to take a photo. I want to remember this.
That is the best souvenir, Anna.
Dad, can we come back to Greece one day?
One day, I promise you, Peter, we will come back. The last sunset, the same viewpoint, the same family, but different now. Greece had changed them all, in quiet ways, in warm ways. This is perfect. All of it.
The four of us, that is what is perfect.
Comment below, which Greek food would you try first? Subscribe for more slow English stories. New stories every week.
Greece. Blue sea and white stone, ancient columns and golden honey. A family who came as tourists and left understanding something warm.
Greece is blue and white and warm. The food is gold. The sea holds you. I drew everything. I will come back. Wow, look at that blue! It's so beautiful! I'm gonna swim to that boat.
No, you are not. This is perfect.